teachers. I am Kamakshi Best, the USG Delegate Affairs for PI Smart 2025.
And I, Raju Kirtuchi, welcome you to the opening ceremony of Pudgar International School. Importantly, strive to find peace through dialogue.
So, let's begin this journey of diplomacy, intellect and leadership together as we open the grand conference of PI Smart 2025 with a big round of applause.
To invoke the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, learning and enlightenment, we will now begin with the Saraswati Vandana and the lighting of the lamp ceremony.
We would now like to invite our respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, our esteemed Secretary General and Gunjan Ma'am to come forward and light the ceremonial lamp.
Respected EPTA members and Gunjan Ma'am to come forward to light the ceremonial lamp.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभुति देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा निशेषजाड्यापहा निशेषजाड्यापहा.
नमस्ते सभी को. Respected Secretary General, learned colleague, present chairs, our delegates, I'd like to congratulate each one of you to be a part of this wonderful event. The schools are providing knowledge and every school is doing wonderful in it. These days, it is not only the knowledge which is important, but it is also very, very important that whatever we feel, whatever we learn, we should be able to communicate. And this month, it is a wonderful opportunity to learn, experience, to communicate our thoughts as well as to witness the perspective of other people too. This not only gives you the opportunity to learn from each other, but also it provokes you, it compels you to broaden our horizon on the international level. I'd like to congratulate all the people behind this wonderful organization, and I wish you should have a wonderful time full of learning and full of discipline. I must make you aware that you are from the different schools and you are shouldering the responsibility of your school's culture. Whatever your conduct is here, it gives the impression about your school. So let us utilize, let us enjoy this wonderful learning time. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you. you, sir, for your inspiring words and for always motivating us to think beyond our boundaries.
PIS Month 2025 is not just a simulation of the UN. It's a platform where ideas find voice and confidence meets purpose.
Across the next 2 days, brilliant minds strive to find peace through dialogue. We hope that this conference becomes an unforgettable experience filled with learning, laughter, and leadership.
And now, to celebrate unity in diversity, let's witness a mesmerizing cultural dance performance by our talented students.
गुणग जम जम तदीद्र गुणग द्रिगुणग जम जम तदीद्र गुणग जम जम तगदीद्र गुणग जम जम तगदीद्र गुणग जम जम तगदीद्र गुणग जम जम त्रिगुणग त्रिगुणग जम जम तगदी त्रिगुणग त्रिगुणग जम जम तगदी त्रिगुणग त्रिगुणग जम जम तगदी त्रिगुणग त्रिगुणग जम तगदी त्रिगुणग त्रिगुणग जम तगदी त्रिगुणग त्रिगुणग जम ஆயர் குலத்தினில் ஆனிரை வேதவன் ஆடியும் பாதியும் கூடி மகிழ்ந்தவன் ஆயர் குலத்தினில் ஆனிரை வேதவன் ஆடியும் பாதியும் கூடி மகிழ்ந்தவன் ஆனந்தம் ஆனந்தம் ஆனந்தமாகும் ஆடி புரிந்தவன் அவனடி வடிவும் யசோதை மனமகே மாதவனே புஜிலன் துயதனை தீதவனே மாயவனே மதுசூதனே
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा गा दे चले ना रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत भाले
Well, that was really delightful. Thank you to all the performers for the energetic start of our day.
And now comes the most awaited part of today's ceremony, the introduction of the executive board members, the ones who will mentor, lead and evaluate the debates over the next 2 days.
Let's put our hands together and give a huge round of applause as we introduce our incredible chairs and co-chairs to everyone. For the United Nations Security Council, we have Mr. Mohil sir, the chair, and Mr. Nikunj Karia sir, the co-chair.
For the United Nations Human Rights Council, we have Mr. Chaitanya Kavi Dhruv sir, the chair, and Mr. Atharva Chaludre sir, the co-chair.
For the Lok Sabha, we have Mr. Bharat Dorlika sir and Mr. Piyush Parivakam sir, who are both the co-chairs of the Lok Sabha.
For the National Security Council, we have Mr. Dev Kavyat sir, who is the chair for National Security Council.
For the international press, we have Ms. Pragya ma'am, who is the journalism head, and Mr. Ishan Adurti sir, who is the photography head.
For IPL, we have Mr. Samvik Jain sir and Mr. Sujan Bhatia sir, who are both the co-auctioneers, and Mr. Chajalveer Kohli, who will be scribing this committee.
For the IPL legends, we have Mr. Kabir Thakur sir and Mr. Manukhraj Singh Alak sir, who are both the co-auctioneers for this committee, and Mr. Karthik Dehankar sir, who would be scribing this committee.
From Spitball, we have Mr. Yugal Aswani sir, who is the chair, and Mr. Aryan Dongre sir, who is the vice chair.
For DISEC, we have Mr. Piyush Agarwal sir and Mr. Gaurav Rajbir sir for the committee. We extend a heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries and executive board members. We are truly honored by your presence and hope that our delegates will have a wonderful learning experience under your valuable guidance and expertise.
Now, we have the visionary leader behind the entire conference, the person whose hard work and dedication have turned this event into reality. Please welcome Mr. Arinjan Nimje, the Secretary General of PIS Fund 2025 to share their thoughts and officially open the conference.
Greetings to one and all present here. It is both an honor and a pleasure to stand before you all as we begin this conference. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our school management, faculty members and organizing team whose dedication and endless hours of effort have turned this vision into reality. And to every delegate present here, thank you for bringing your energy, curiosity and conviction with you all to this conference. With this, I, Arinjan Nimje, the Secretary General for PISMUN 25, would like to declare this conference open.
And with that declaration, diplomacy begins, discussions ignite, and the world of ideas takes flight.
Thank you so much to all the members present here. Now, let's begin Koda International School Model United Nations 2025.
We request the OCs to lead the delegates to their respective committee rooms.
Next player is R. Sai Kishore. R. Sai Kishore for base with Relax. With Rajasthan for 25, 50 for Mumbai. 75 with Rajasthan. 1 CR with Delhi Capitals. 1.25 with Mumbai Indians. 1.5 with Delhi Capitals. 1.75 with Rajasthan. 2 CR with Delhi Capitals. 2 CR for R. Sai Kishore. 2.25 with Mumbai. 2.5 with Kerala, 2.5 CR with Kerala Blasters. For R. Sai Kishore, 2.5 CR going to Kerala Blasters, 2.75. 3 CR with Chennai Super Kings. 3 CR, 3.25 with Kerala. 3.5 with Chennai Super Kings. 3.5 for R. Sai Kishore. 3.75 with Kerala. 3.75 going to Kerala Blasters. And 4 CR with Chennai Super Kings. 4 CR with Chennai Super Kings for R. Sai Kishore. Kerala is out. Is there a 4.25 for our side? Seeing none, going to Chennai. And 3, 2, 1, and...
Virginia. Now you have the floor for the next 90 seconds, please go ahead.
Good morning, chairs and attendees. I am Albania. Introduction: our transfer place radio searching the world complex in a weapons used under registration of world human rights analysis. This page explores how human rights focus on update and space study. Understanding our transfer movement or scale of the different countries and groups.
बहुत ज़्यादा फास्टर प्रोसेस हो रही है तो like 12 deletions in 14 minutes right जितना सेंसिटिव था कैसे इतना फास्ट कितना हो रहा है कि 12 deletions in 14 minutes इसका सेंस बन रहा है कैसे
Your government is addressing the challenges posed by emerging technologies.
वायलेट करती है कंट्री लॉज या So that wherever the weapons end up, we can verify that those weapons do not go to the wrong hands and certification for those weapons. Second, we have the Federal Service for Military and Technical Cooperation, ensuring that every export that goes out of Russia complies with Russia's legal.
Question was that the solution to the Red Sea crisis is not
You want the solution? You want to,
I gave
you gave the solution.
yes.
Sir, POI में when you ask for point of information, it has to be a question, not a statement.
Yes, I asked him a question that what do you make the solution?
वो पूछ रहे हैं कि do you feel कि war is the solution or it is not the solution?
The delegate of Ukraine, first of all, as mentioned by delegate of Brazil, did not mention war in their speech. And second of all, we are proposing a solution that there be a maritime coordination mechanism which will be multilateral. Even your country can be a part of it, and it will be UN mandated, just that it will be led by the Royal Navy. Looking at the history of the Royal Navy, it is known for credibility, accountability and accuracy. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Their work is just to study the metadata. Their work is to study the metadata and detect any anomalies. And during this crisis, any anomaly which is detected, if the anomaly is detected, then the agencies are working on isolating that particular IP device so that the hackers will not be able to invade in our systems.
Yes, Prime Minister.
Sir, it is very much clear that China is very well known for their cyber warfare that they indulge with enemy states. So it is very much possible that China could be trying to indulge in a cyber.
How is that not a threat to the world?
That is the same question. Alright, fair enough.
The delegate of Japan would like to speak on the issue of the occupation of land by Russia because of Ukraine and Gaza. We are strongly in favor of Ukraine, and we would like to say that point out some resolutions which support our state. Resolution 2625 of October 24, 1970 which stated that a territory shall not be subject to acquisition by force. Furthermore, this may even cause more distress among other neighboring nations as well.
Children who lost families for the civilians who lost homes. Pakistan remains committed to regional cooperation, transparency and responsible arms management. Thank you.
Are there any questions on the floor? Delegate of
Pakistan that has said in your speech that you have a
Honorable Chair, esteemed delegates. The Republic of Korea refuses to watch the Red Sea transform from a trade corridor into a theater of lawlessness, piracy, maritime terrorism, and armed robbery. Are not random crimes. They are calculated disruption.
काफी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट भी होंगे और पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट भी होंगे। जैसे अगर इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट की बात करें तो हो सकता है कि ब्रिक्स को छोड़ने से एक्सपोर्ट और इम्पोर्ट कॉस्ट में फर्क पड़े और जो है एक नॉन वेस्टर्न कोऑपरेशन पे इंडिया एक प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करे, पर देयर इज अ चांस दैट we might gain something far better, strategic autonomy, we might.
In favor say aye. Aye. Against say nay. Nay. Ayes have it, ayes have it, ayes have it. The motion passes. So the motion is one nation, one election. आगे भी जो election, that's one. One nation, one election.
अलग-अलग इलेक्शन होने चाहिए। तो 2009 से 2014 तक ये देखा गया कि देश में 30 मॉडल ऑफ कंडक्ट लगे, वो पीरियड्स लगे जिससे 95,000 करोड़ के प्रोजेक्ट्स डिले हुए। महोदय, अगर 6 हर थोड़े समय में मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लगता रहे तो गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज चलेगी कैसे, डेवलपमेंट होगा कैसे?
इन्होंने ये चीज़ उठाया है कि यदि हम ये फॉलो करेंगे तो हमारा समय बचेगा। मैं सही समझ रहा हूँ?
कमेटी के हिसाब से आपका परफॉर्मेंस इन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट कैसा है, वो एग्जैक्टली क्या होगा, मैं आई विल टेल यू दिस टुमारो। ओके, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, हाउ योर रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, हाउ योर टीम बिल्डिंग स्किल एंड हाउ योर प्रेजेंटेशन इज, दैट इज व्हाट द अवार्ड्स विल बी डिसाइडेड। ओके, सो प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए आई वांट यू टू बी रेडी विद योर बेस्ट। इसके अलावा एवरी सिंगल क्वेश्चन वी कैन आस्क यू, मेक श्योर कि आप अपनी टीम को जाने क्योंकि एज ऑफ नाउ मैं कोई भी नहीं, मैं कुछ भी नहीं करता। मैं आपको सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ एज एन IPL व्यूअर कि आपकी टीम क्या करती है, जो मेरे को बेटर कन्विंस करेगा वो करता है। ऑलराइट,